Unlock effortless vertical shooting for your Nikon Z6 II and elevate your social media game. First, ensure your Nikon Z6 II is powered off and has its battery removed for safety. Gently open the battery compartment door by sliding the latch outwards. Now, take your compatible vertical mount. Notice the mounting screw on the mount itself. Align the screw on the vertical mount with the tripod socket on your Nikon Z6E's base. Carefully screw the mount into place, tighten it firmly, but avoid over-tightening. The mount should feel secure and flush with the camera base. Next, locate the battery compartment on your vertical mount. This is usually at the bottom. Slide open this compartment. If your vertical mount uses the same battery as your Z6 II, you can now insert it here. Ensure the battery is seated correctly according to the directional arrows. Close the battery compartment of the vertical mount securely. Your vertical mount is now installed. You'll find an additional shutter button and often other controls for a more comfortable vertical grip. This setup provides superior ergonomics for portrait work and social media content where vertical orientation is key. Enjoy smoother, more stable vertical shooting with your Nikon Z6 II.